seconds.
Hello kids, in this video I will teach you to read 107 letter words with simple sentence. Animals. The animals are in zoo. Arrange. Please arrange the blocks. Another. I want another toy. Already. She is already here. Balance. He tries to balance. Because. I smile because I am happy. Between. The cat sits between chairs. Brother. My brother is kind. Careful. Be careful on the road. Capture. We capture a photo. Calling. Mom is calling me. Candice. I like sweet candies. Dancing. She is dancing well. Delight. Ice cream is a delight. Drawing. He is drawing a sun. Dresses. The dresses are new. Earning. Dad is earning money. Eastern. The sun rises in the eastern. Elastic. The band is elastic. Excited. I am excited today. Fantasy. I like a fantasy story. Feeling. I have a happy feeling. Festival. The festival is fun. Fingers. She counts on fingers. Garland. The garland is pretty. Grocery. We shop at the grocery. Glitter. Stars glitter at night. Growing. The plant is growing. Healthy. Fruits are healthy. Helping. She is helping him. Holiday. We enjoy a holiday. Hunters. Hunters search quietly. Imagine. I imagine flying. Instant. It works in an instant. Insects. The insects are tiny. Invited. We invited our friends. Journey. The journey was long. Justice. Justice is fair. Joining. She is joining us. Jackets. Jackets keep us warm. Kitchen. Mom is in the kitchen. Knights. The knights are brave. Keeping. He is keeping safe. Kingdoms. He has more kingdoms. Ladders. The ladders are in room. Letters. I write letters. Looking. I am looking outside. Lantern. The lantern glows bright. Magical. The story is magical. Mothers. Mothers love children. Moments. Happy moments stay. Muffins. Muffins are tasty. Nothing. I have nothing. Numbers. I count numbers. Needles. Needles are sharp. Natural. The park is natural. Outside. We play outside. Octopus. The octopus swims. Opening. The shop is opening. Offered. He offered help. Parents. My parents care. Perfect. The cake is perfect. Picture. I draw a picture. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is orange. Quieter. Be quieter, please. Queries. He answered queries. Quicken. Birds quicken their pace. Quality. This toy has quality. Reading. I like reading. Running. She is running fast. Rainbow. The rainbow is bright. Rocketry. The rocket flew high. Special. Today is special. Sunrise. Sunrise is pretty. Singing. The bird is singing. Sticker. I like this sticker. Teacher. My teacher is nice. Talking. They are talking. Turtles. Turtles walk slow. Tickets. We bought tickets. Unicorn. The unicorn is magical. Useful. Tools are useful. Uplifts. Music uplifts me. Upgrade. I upgrade my toy. Village. The village is small. Visitors. Visitors are welcome. Violet. Violet is a color. Victory. The team won victory. Walking. A is walking home. Wonders. Nature has wonders. Washing. I am washing hands. Writers. Writers use pens. Xylitol. Xylitol is sweet. Xyloids. Xyloids are wood-like. Xysting. People are xysting. Xylonic. Xylonic acids helps. Younger. My sister is younger. Hailing is yelling loud. Yielded. The tree yielded fruit. Yogurts. Yogurts are yummy. Thank you kids for learning with me. Bye bye. See you in the next video.